Super nice for thin tomatoes like this. Once more. Hello, Chef here with yet another knife review for you. These are ceramic knives. These ceramic knives are made in Japan. I really like them. Lately I've been rocking this Kyocera. I think it's about a 7-inch Fuji. I kind of like the wood handle. The blade is wicked sharp, nice and thin on the end. Really cool. It's very comfortable and easy to use. However, for the price point, these FK140 I think is the model. Those are the real deal right there. I've got one, I've been using this for over 10 years right here. So for 10 years this baby's been going, and I've shared it with some other chefs. It's still going. You can see the styles change a little bit, handles change a little bit. It's this knife right here. Do a close-up for you. The blade is now wider, a little taller. The handle has similar contour to the older style handle, but it's a little bit bigger, a little more ergonomic. You can see that right there. There's a little difference in these handles. But anyway, lifetime warranty. They're offering bend it, break it, chip it, send it back, sharpening, all kinds of stuff. But anyway, I like to sharpen my own, and that's what this video is all about. So for over 10 years, we've been rocking this baby. It's still going. You can barely see it on here, Kyocera. So all I use is this little rest right here. This little rest. The knife goes in the rest like this, and this is a small diamond file. It's one of these awesome exclusives. You're only going to find it at your sponsor. And the file just goes from the tip to the heel. You flip the knife over, and you repeat from the heel to the tip. And you do this a few times. You can use water, you can do it dry, whatever your choice is. Little tiny bit of ceramic dust ends up on the diamonds here. You can score all these cool things at your sponsor. I just wanted to show you what I've been working with, what I've been rocking. I do enjoy these ceramics. Obviously they're not for everything. They're for fruits and vegetables, and you know, they're good for a lot of different things. Don't try cutting a hard acorn squash. You'll be sorry. And you might not cut that squash. I don't know. I've never tried. Watermelon, apple, pears, oranges, onions, peppers, garlic, fish. It goes on and on and on. For fish, actually, this is the same company, and this is a limited edition. You probably wouldn't find this anywhere except at the sponsor. This is a ceramic sushi knife, and this one here is the Kaya Top. The Damascus. Whoa, look at that baby. Wow, that baby's sweet. The riveted pack-of-wood handle. Oh, the Damascus blade. Ceramic Damascus. That's kind of unusual right there. Really nice. If I was cutting a large fish or making some sushi, ahi tuna, wahoo, ono, anogo, spearfish, hebe, monkfish, any of these fish, I want to cut it really thin. Barracuda, bass, salmon, of course. Everyone's eating salmon these days. Yeah, farm-raised stuff's questionable, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, this is an awesome knife for sushi. But for the price point, once again, back here, this is the one to get. This is the utility, a little bit smaller, and this is the pairing, a little bit smaller. Hey, red, white, and blue. Colors of the flag. Salute the flag, get cooking, and I'll be back with more videos. I just wanted to share some of these tips with you. You can score these at your sponsor. Of course, you can score the diamond file at your sponsor. All this stuff is available right there. And have a beautiful day. Hope you like my reviews. Please smash that like button and consider sharing them with your family or your friends. These reviews are helping a lot of people, and there are some awesome cutting-edge chef tips as well as great recipes. Search the channel. You subscribe right there, smash that little chef guy right there, and then search the channel. Coleslaw, soups, sauces, stocks, sandwiches, dressings, how to this, how to that. You're going to find a lot of it on this channel right here. Chefs are sharing with you, and for that, you're going to be a better cook. Be well, my friends. I've got a brie cheese crouton, and that's my broccoli soup. Your soup? Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsors. Most of all, get cooking. Have a beautiful day. It's good to go. Yeah, and now we repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Extract, I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsors label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow! It's going to really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. Magical mystery oil. A little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut. Big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really, really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up, do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. This one has been cut on more than 10 million times, and it just keeps going. It's very easy to clean. We use this bench scraper, remove any food or particles, and get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.